Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am a subject teacher of social study, and in our last video we have discussed about the worksheet of chapter number 14, that is part 1, and in this video we are going to discuss about the worksheet of chapter number 14 also, and this is part 2. So student, first of all, let's have a quick overview on the chapter number 14 once again for your better understanding, because the whole worksheet and this question is depend upon the chapter 14. So your chapter name is Conserving Our Environment. It means in this chapter we will discuss and know about how to protect and how to conserve our environment. So first of all, what is environment? Everything that surround us make up the environment, and threats to our environment. So what is the dangerous and what is the risky for our environment? So student, pollution is very dangerous for our environment, that because pollution make the land, water or air dirty and unsafe to use, and it threatens the lives of millions of animal, plant and human beings around the world. So student, pollution is mainly of three types. Pollution is mainly of three types. First one is air pollution, second water pollution, third land pollution. So student, now come on the exercises. That is exercise 4. Answer the following question in a paragraph. So student, in this exercise you have to give answer according to the given question. Your first question is, with the help of two examples, explain how pollution affects us. So student, in this question you have to write about the two example of pollution and how the pollution affect us. So your answer is, air pollution is a widespread form of pollution. It happens when harmful gases or smoke entered into the air, making it difficult for us. Air pollution cause a number of diseases like asthma, gastroenteritis and eczema are the two examples of pollution that is affect us. Now look at the question number 2. How does deforestation affect the environment? It means in this question you have to write about how deforestation affect the environment. Your answer is, deforestation affect the environment in following ways. So student, deforestation means the cutting of tree affect the environment in following ways. First one is, because of deforestation the supply of oxygen reduces and carbon dioxide, which is harmful for us and environment. So student, because of cutting of tree the supply of oxygen reduces, supply of oxygen decreases and carbon dioxide, which is harmful for us and environment, increases. Next, deforestation leads to problem of soil erosion, means the top layer of the soil washed away because of the cutting of trees. Now look at the next, that is, because of deforestation the land becomes drier and barren. The student, because of the cutting of trees the land become drier and barren. Now look at the next page, that is question number 3. What is the effect of global warming on the environment? Suggest way in which it can be prevented. So student, this question you have to write the effect of global warming on the environment and suggest the way in which it can be prevented. How to prevent the global warming? Your answer is, the effect of global warming on the environment are as follow. So first one is, global warming has led to climate change. Many places are experiencing unusually cold winters and unusually hot summers. Now look at the second. Global warming is also causing the melting of ice at the poles and on mountain peaks. Glaciers, which are the source of many of the world rivers, are melting at a rapid rate. This threatens the life of these rivers. Now look at the third. Sea level around the world are rising as a result of the melting ice. This poses a threat to places that lie along the coast. Now look at the next. Prevention of global warming. It means how to prevent global warming. First one is we should walk or cycle as far as possible. If we have to use a vehicle, we should try to use vehicles which run on sources of energy that are non polluting, like solar power and biofuels. Now look at the next. We should stop cutting trees and instead plant more trees since trees absorb carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Planting more trees will help maintain the balance of gases in the atmosphere. Now look at the question number 4. Explain the different steps we can take to reduce waste generation. So student, in this question you have to write about the different steps by you can reduce the waste generation. Your answer is there are different steps that we can take to reduce waste generation as follow. First one is get a water bottle. Using a reusable water bottle is such an easy way to reduce plastic waste. Second, get a coffee mug like a number 1. I have found that using a reusable coffee cup reduces a lot of waste. Use reusable shopping bags. Now look at the question number 5. Suggest a few simple ways in which we could save the environment in the course of our daily life. It means in this question you have to write about the few simple way by you can save the environment in course of our daily life during daily life. Answer. There are some steps we can take to save the environment are as follow. First, switch off fans and light when they are not in uses. Plant tree and take care of them. Your old books, toys, and clothes can be used by others once you have outthrown them. The student, I hope you all understood about the worksheet and you have to done these questions in your CW copy. This is your today's homework. So that's all and thank you.